Never will I leave you. Never will I forsake you. There are times when people walk away, times when you feel forgotten, unseen, or alone. But God speaks directly into that loneliness, with a promise unbroken through generations. I will never leave you, not in your failures, not in your fears, not in your darkest nights. He stays. He stands beside you. He walks with you through every valley and waits for you on every mountaintop. God's presence isn't fragile or temporary. It is eternal, loyal, and unchanging. When everyone else lets go, He holds on. You are never alone, because the God who made you refuses to leave you behind.